Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 28th March 2025. Start with the first news, that is US tariff opposition slam center's inactions. In this case, that opposition is saying the center is not act properly in having conversation with the US. Next news is also from the US that Trump levies 25 tariff on import cars, allies fume. Putin to visit India this year, say Foreign Minister Lavrov. RLD chief slams UP police prayer at diktat. Tamil Nadu adopt regulations against WAF amendment bill. Speakers no law and orders. Debate in assembly. Remark receive flag from AAP MLA. Court allow disposals of remaining Union Carbide toxic waste at Pithampur. Political black comedy at its darkest, starring on UPCM remark. Government issues summons to Kamra but is silent on Solapurkar, say Uddhav. 11 fishermen held for poaching by Sri Lankan Navy. Amit Shah PM Modi to visit Bihar, boost BJP campaign in election-bound state. Caste angle in focus as row over SP MP comment on Rana Sangha widen in UP. Mandatory pregnancy registration spark privacy concern in Haryana. Unseen color of tourism visit Uttarakhand. Wayanad rehabilitations an example of pupils' unity. Pinarayi vision. Karnataka government to do fresh survey to decide on internal quota. Two more Hurriyat group denounces separatism. Saha. Telangana Assembly opposed delimitations in present form. The preachers pulling crowds with promise of healing and miracles. The judiciary between a rock and a hard movement. US defense size India need to keep its eye on. New Delhi needs to avoid a dependency that affects its strategic autonomy. Backdoor censor. Sanyog must adhere to the safeguard and procedures in Section 69 of IT Act. Women unbound. Public space must be always safe for everyone. Should the free movement regime between India and Myanmar remain? The flawed push for a third language. While students can study multiple languages privately, it's not cost effective to fund the teaching of more than two languages in public school. When India's schools struggle with the basic proficiency in two languages, enforcing a third without any clear benefit is deeply flawed. The dangers in adolescence and the cinema of radicalization. Bar associations urge CGI to withdraw SC judge transfer. Opposition MP seeks Law Minister's view on judge transfer law. 3 policemen killed in furious gunfight with militant in Kathua. House panel tells Centre to give more fund to the state to implement NEP. French journalist forced leave India French journalist forced to leave India gets 1 year permit. Rajya Sabha chairman reject Jairam privilege notice against Amit Shah. Stock market volatility, ED cases AI among issues raised in question asked. Bengal border remain unfenced as state government is not providing land. Defense Ministry acquire equipment at 2,500 crores. Jet fuel costs account for 45% of air ticket price, say Minister. Centre tells state to be prepared to tackle heat-related ailment. House Standing Committee concerned over vaccines in nuclear and research project. Union government to help state procure pulses at a MSP, Agriculture Minister. US tariff hike will dent JLR auto part maker margin. Taxpayer defaulting on TDS on rent above 50,000 get IT notice. In Feb, bank loan grow slow for 8th month in row. War information shared on Signal was not classified, say White House. European force on agenda as Macron hosts Ukraine meet. Rubio offer US security for Guyana. Israeli passed law enabling political control over judicial appointment. NATO clarifies status of missing US soldiers. Access to abortion, fetal viability and laws thereof, women are caught in the crossfire. That's from my side, friends. See you soon.